What up, everybody? It's your boy Charlie, and I'm gonna teach you how to write a rap song. Now let's get it.
It's Charlie Love in the house. Y'all know what I'm about. Well, y'all know what it is. You know what player always handle his business.
First things first, you need a pen and a paper, and you need some kind of audio recording device to record yourself. Number 2, you need a sick ass beat. You can require a beat from YouTube or SoundCloud, or you can make the beat yourself if you're that tight. Number 3, you need a topic, something to write about, what you're gonna rap about. Alright, so according to rhymemaker.com, these are the 9 most searched topics to rap about. What's cool about rhymemaker.com, you can go on there, they have a search bar, you can basically search up any topic you want to rap about, and it will help you connect rhymes together with that. That's pretty dope. But so like again, this is 9 most searched topics that people usually search so they can have something to write about. But if you're a true MC, you already know that originality is the key. And number 4, confidence. Exude confidence. The number 1 thing that you need out of all this, if anything, confidence. Confidence. You have confidence, the rest will take care of itself. Number 5, most important thing of all is you need to add your own flavor to that thing. You feel me? Add your own character, your own flavor, whatever it is that you have, you add that to it, because that's what makes it all about you. I mean, there's too many rappers that sound the same nowadays. We all gotta be different. That's the whole point of hip hop. What's done has been done. Let's do something different, move forward. Have your own original sound, have your own original style. Yeah, it's cool to emulate people. It's cool to pay homage to the ones before you, the OGs. But we need to understand is we need to be original. And we could be like these famous rappers that, came before us. I love, all the West Coast rappers. That's where I get most of my inspiration from. But I also love Common. I love Kanye. I mean, I take inspiration from all these. I love Biggie. I mean, come on, these guys were true lyricists. The Tribe Called Quest, the Roots. I mean, we're talking true hip hop icons. And that's what we need nowadays. We need some more true hip hop icons. Kendrick Lamar, he's putting it down. Who else? Oh, Logic, super dope, man, super dope kid. Who else? Chance the Rapper, super dope. J. Cole. I mean, I can't even think of. There's so many people right now that my mind's just like spinning right now in circles. But who I can just mention. These guys, they all have one thing in common, and that's they're all original, and that's why they stand out, because they are doing their own thing. They're not following the crowd. They're not following the trends. They're setting the trends. That's what hip hop's about setting trends, doing your own thing. Like I said, add your own flavor. One more important thing when it comes to writing a rap song, and that's the cadence. Y'all want to know what cadence means? Basically, it just means it's that you're able to flow to the beat without hesitation. You're a part of the beat. Let me give you an example. Here's Snoop Dogg. Here, there's your beat. 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Snoop Dogg it out. Double J is at the dough. See, there's that one. Okay. Here, how about rappers that like. I said a hip hop, hip it to the hip hop, you don't stop. I rock it to the bang bang, boogie sit up, dump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogity bing on the beat. Like I said, cadence is very important when it comes to writing a rap song, because it's all about feeling the beat. Someone tells you, writing a rap song, you don't need the beat, they're full of crap. The beat is the most important part of the rap song. That's it. That's the whole point of the song. That's how you write the rap song. So let me give you an example of how I write my music. I've been really loving Astroworld. I'd be like listening to that like all the time. I was inspired by Coffee Bean. I listened to Coffee Bean, that song, and I wrote a song to that. You know, I said, damn, I love that beat so much. I went on the YouTube, I found the instrumental to it, and I started writing a beat to it. Now, of course, I know that, you know, for copyright restrictions, all that bull, you know, we can't record over that song. You know, it's not. I love the beat, but so I did the next best thing. So I just looked up, okay, Coffee Bean type beats. You know, Coffee Bean's got a tempo of 98 beats per minute. So I just looked at 98 beats per minute beat. You know, Coffee Bean type beat. Bam! I got me something that sounded. It's almost not identical, but kind of similar. But the most important part of it was that the cadence the song that I wrote to Coffee Bean, it went to that beat because it was the same BPMs. That's the whole point of the cadence. It all goes together. So, you know, I just wanted to share that because, you know, that's important to understand that you have knowledge of, you know, what BPMs are, what, you know, cadences, what flows are. I mean, BPM is a little bit more technical term. If you don't really know anything all about music, basically, when you write a song, you got 16 bars. That's like the basic kind of standard in rap that people, you know, talk about. You need to write, you know, you hear, oh, he got bars, he got the fire bars. They're talking about the standard 16 bars. So, you know, write on your paper 1 through 16. There you go, you got 16 bars. And that's how you know, that's basically your formula to write your rap song. Best way to do it is just start 2 lines at a time. You know what I mean? Your subject, you know? Like right now it's fall. Okay? And silly as it is, I mean, you can literally write a song about anything. You gotta be really skilled, man. I mean, you gotta be really, really skilled, and you gotta be really into it, man. You just be like, and you can just write, anybody can write anything, but if you really want something to come out really good, y'all really need to be into what you're doing. So, you know, like I said, for example, it's fall right now. What are some things about fall? We got, you know, the leaves are falling on the ground, the trees are changing colors, Halloween's in fall, we got Thanksgiving just right around the corner. So there's a lot of things that you could do with that. So you got leaves are falling, it's getting windier, it's colder. Halloween, Thanksgiving, you know, people are dressing differently. You're wearing your, you know, Timberlands now. You know, you're wearing flannels, beanies. Put all these things together when you're writing your rap song. So if we're writing about fall, so we're writing about fall. Fall is a subject, okay? So that's the subject we're writing about. And, you know, we got leaves falling, trees changing, Halloween around the corner, Thanksgiving, people are wearing flannels and Timberlands. So, you know, you write all these things down, you already got, you know, things to rap about, you know. But now you just gotta put things in a rhyme and in a flow, and then you gotta pick a good, you know, beat that goes along with it. So, cadence.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
It's Charlie Dove in the house. Y'all know what I'm about. Well, y'all know what it is. You know what player gotta handle his business. Check this out. Coming straight to 209. Modesto's finest. Hey. It's flannel season. Check it. Check it. Let's check it. Check it. It's that special time of year where the leaves is falling and Halloween is near. Hey, you know what you gotta do. You got to go to the closet, put a flannel on, fool. Hey, and I'm so low to the ground. I'm enjoying all the leaves lying all around. Hey, it's flannel season, kids. I'm talking Charlie Brown, great big pumpkin. Let's go to Mickey D's and get a McCafe. See, I can eat a pumpkin pie with that all day. And don't forget the Cool Whip. It has a lot of extra cool flavor with it. Hey, you started up in the house. Well, y'all know what I'm about. Hey, y'all know what it is. You know what player always handle his biz. It's flannel season, kids. Hey, it's flannel season, kids. Hey, get them flannels on with the Timberlands, the 501 jeans. Hey, who out there loves Thanksgiving? Can't forget about Thanksgiving. I know I love Thanksgiving. Hey, watching the Macy's parade as a little dude. Thanksgiving always puts me in a special mood. I remember all the times we had at Grandma's house, being sent outside for being too damn loud. You kids go on outside. You're driving me crazy. Sorry, Grandma. We're going outside. We'll play outside. Yeah, you kids go play in the freeway. Okay, gee whiz. It's flannel season. Flannel season, kid. It's flannel season. I thought you knew what it was. Hey. Mommies and aunties slaving over the stove while you in the corner waiting, picking your nose. All the uncles in the garage drinking that brew, bossing you around, telling you what to do. Ha ha, it's Thanksgiving, sipping on that Budweiser, puffing on them herbs and spices. Ha ha. Hey, you kids aren't supposed to be in here. Get on outside. What's that smell? I feel funny. My head's spinning around in circles. I'm saying that. Hey, you kids, you better go outside. Okay? You go outside. You go play in the freeway. Okay? Okay, Poppy. Aunties and mamas, they slaving over the stove. It's flannel season, kids. Hey, put them flannels on. With the lumberjack, with the hat to match. Hey, get your Timberlands on. And your 501 jeans. It's flannel season. Hey, flannel season. It's flannel season.